Welcome to Bollywood Babu. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
To start with, Life of Pi, it was a very intense character, and then 5 years later, you are now working in a Bollywood commercial film which has got ghosts and stuff like that. So, do you think the Indian audiences would find this transformation quite drastic? उन्हें लगेगा कि भाई ये क्या है?
I hope so. I hope so. I'm trying to do different things all the time and trying to make, try and challenge myself कि कुछ नया करे. And actually this film is great that this film came up to because it is different, है ना? And it's also like comedy जो मैं comedy तो कभी पहले किया है नहीं. So it was interesting. It was definitely different and I tried to do my best और नया सीखने में वो बहुत मिला है.
Okay.
So,
talking of comedy, are you like comfortable?
Comedy, I'm getting comfortable. I feel like at a certain level, मतलब I don't think I'm at the point कि मेरे को बहुत अच्छी तरह comedy में समझ चुका हूँ and all this, but I think it's very hard, it's different. लेकिन I learned a lot, so I'm happy. Hopefully,
and in a personal space, how's your sense of humor? Like,
मेरे दोस्त तो कहते मैं funny हूँ, लेकिन उसके आगे मेरे को नहीं पता.
और लड़कियाँ क्या कहती हैं?
वो भी हंसती तो हैं, हाँ. So I'm sure I'm funny.
ये हंसा के लड़कियों को पटा जरूर लेती हूँ. Okay, moving on. So, what's your character in the film? Tell us more about it.
So my character's name is Kanan. He's this guy, grew up in Delhi, normal types, and then he goes to Canada to study music. And he has to come back. उसकी शादी होने वाली उसके बचपन की जो his childhood love of his life, right? So they've known each other all their lives and everything. तो वो वापस आता है. Obviously, being in foreign countries and all this, he got affected by all that. He's seen so many options. उसको पता नहीं कि वो किस तरफ जाए, क्या करे. So when he comes back, उसको cold feet होने लगाते कि oh no, like oh my god, I'm so scared. क्या होगा? शादी होने वाली है यार, ऐसे तो कर नहीं सकते.
अच्छा.
साथ ही साथ उसकी पेट से शादी हो जाती है. And obviously, a ghost comes and then he has a Vikram Betal scene happening. Okay. So all of this comes together and it's interesting, man. It's funny. So I'm excited.
So we'll get to the paid wala bit बाद में. First, let's talk about कुछ similarity है. So you're also like a Delhi guy. इसमें आप Canada जा रहे हैं. अभी आप न्यूयॉर्क गए हुए हैं. जहाँ पे आप you're learning film हो तो you're learning music and then you come back to get married to your sweetheart. Yeah, to the girl that you like. ऐसा कुछ real life में भी scene है that people probably don't know about that you would like to tell.
No, I'm pretty much not coming back to get married to the girl I like. I don't have that whole situation going. But yeah, I feel हम लोग वो है similarities तो है ना because like obviously जो सब आपने कहा साथ ही साथ ना in the script it was written that this guy beatboxes.
Okay.
तो I beatbox. So and I didn't know कि ये they didn't know कि I do और ये सब पूरा.
Correct. So you're just saying it's a strange coincidence.
Yeah, man, it was just strange coincidence. Other than that, me and Karan are pretty different, but at the same time, he has sort of strange similarities. Like he got married to Tree, and so did I. So
did you.
Yeah.
When did that happen?
In the movie.
I saw in real life also. You're saying that ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है अभी तक.
नहीं cut नहीं किया ना उन्हें 7 फेरे तो हुए.
Okay. Right. So talking of the fact that you're getting married to a tree, this is based on a manglik, that you are in the film when you're sort of getting married to a tree. So have you ever witnessed or heard of such traditions happening in real life also?
Nahi bro, actually I did not know about the manglik tradition. मेरे को कुछ idea नहीं था तो मैं जब script पढ़ा तो that was the one part I had to Google कि है क्या.
So what was your first reaction when you read it?
I was just confused. I was like, why is he marrying a tree? I don't understand. So in a sense, my feeling about the whole Manglik thing was very much at that point very much like Kanan's. My characters, which was like, what are you talking? Why am I marrying a tree? I don't know this thing. Now obviously I googled it. फिर पता चला this is actually a very common practice. It's been going on forever. ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to be super religious or superstitious and all that. ये तो बहुत normal. It's a very normal norm. It's just weird that कि पता नहीं होता कभी-कभी ऐसी चीजों के बारे में. So it's interesting now.
Okay. And Anushka, she's like the beautiful ghost in the film. So do you believe in ghosts in real life and spirits in real life?
Bro, it's like the scene is this. There are many things that you can logically understand and कभी-कभी हवा होता है, कभी-कभी was the water going through the pipe and somehow you're scared and all this jazz. Sometimes the movie you watch just 5 seconds before जिसके वजह से you start feeling scared and all this. कभी-कभी दिमाग में सीने से you just make it up.
Right.
But यार मेरे को ना बहुत मजा आता है यार ऐसे सब सोचने में. It's fun. Like I like the idea of there being ghosts. I've been in situations where I believe and some of my friends believe that कुछ था. Something was up. And of course there'll always be logical explanations, but साथ ही साथ I just rather there be something. it's like magic in life यार उसके बिना तो
So in one of your interviews, if I'm not wrong, you said that you actually mark your dialogues, make squares, and then you make.
Oh, you heard about that?
And then it flew और नीचे आपके पैर के नीचे से एक डायलॉग आ गया था कि भूत से तो डर लगता है.
हाँ.
ये किस्सा क्या था जरा? I'm quite intrigued, बताइए.
Basically what I do is कि क्या होता है ना, sometimes when there are a lot of dialogues, right, it becomes hard to remember them, it gets all jumbled up in your head. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं वो डायलॉग के छोटे-छोटे उनको काट देता हूँ, word by word या sentence by sentence, ऐसे काट के I put it up on the table and I mix it up and then I puzzle it back together जिससे मेरे को याद हो जाए.
Correct.
क्योंकि मैंने अपने दिमाग से किया ये, है ना. तो doing that, I did that, मैंने किया तो मेरे टेबल पे पड़ा हुआ था. शूट का एंड हो रहा था. it was after the day of shooting. और शूट में क्या होता है ना, you usually, because I am scared throughout the film, I am very scared. तो मेरे दिमाग में भी अंदर से थोड़ा सी डर था, मतलब जनरली it was just residue डर. हाँ. तो मैं बैठा हूँ अपने बेड पे, मैं ऐसे ही कुछ सोच रहा हूँ. हवा नहीं चल रही, कुछ नहीं, दरवाजे बंद है, the windows closed. I'm like, okay, it's all good. हाँ, हम chilling. These two chits, only two chits, come wafting towards my foot.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, हवा होगा, मैंने वैसे कुछ सोचा नहीं. So I lean down, pick up the chips, I'm going to put it back on the table and I look at it and it says भूत से डर तो लगता है.
तो कितना डर लगा फिर?
बहुत डर लगा यार. उसके बाद मेरे को बाहर जाना पड़ा. I had cold coffee at God knows when in the night because I'm like यार I need some comfort. में क्या हो रहा है मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. एक तो भूत की मूवी बना रहे हैं, साथ ही असलियत में हो रहा है मेरे साथ, वो कह रहा है समझ नहीं आ रहा.
So this was what time in the night?
शूट खत्म हुई होगी तो it must be around 11:30, 12:30, ऐसे कुछ, somewhere in that zone.
Wow. Okay. So Life of Pi के बाद में you became like supremely popular. You were this bachcha, the guy who survived so many things. And then what took you so long to get to Bollywood, na?
Basically, many things, multiple things. एक तो मैंने because it was the initial years of me, so I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to make smart choices, be smart about what I do, and do very little. बहुत कम काम करूँ अभी स्टार्टिंग में. साथ ही साथ कॉलेज जा रहा था, तो schedules for everybody was a nightmare. Because I only have the summer holidays and winter holidays. उसी के टाइम पे मैं काम कर सकता हूँ. तो it was always really difficult. साथ ही साथ I obviously like throughout I was like, अच्छा, I have to do something in India. I want to make a movie in India because obviously I'm Indian. लेकिन I want to do something which is the right fit for me as a person and as an actor. So it has to be something it's not so far outreached in the depths of Bollywood that like I don't know how to act in that. Or साथ ही साथ I don't want to do something so tremendously art house or independent that it doesn't have the requisite impact that I would like for it to have, right? तो कहीं बीच में ढूंढना था. And of course when I read this script, it was like, पहली बात तो script was beautiful, amazing. Genuinely, it goes through every emotion a human being goes through, and it tells a beautiful story over a long period of time. So I was like, wow, this is really beautiful. I hope ये हो जाए. तो I called.
मजा आ जाएगा.
हाँ, मजा आ जाएगा. I called करने, and the character is so weird, like in such a weird situation, and it's comedy. मैंने नहीं किया, मेरे को करना. I called Karne sir. I was like, okay sir, I read your script. It's really good. Can I please come and audition? So he said, yeah, come. Firstly, they didn't think कि मेरे को हिंदी आती है, which was पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे लोग सोचते हैं. बट
Life of Pi से आप बॉलीवुड डेब्यू करोगे तो लोगों को लगेगा. But anyway,
खैर कोई बात नहीं. So I mean, he was excited about that. So हिंदी तो आती है कम से कम. तो मैं आया. I did. Firstly, Anvita ma'am who wrote the script did this table read.
Right.
और जो मैंने स्क्रिप्ट में पढ़ा था वो तो मेरे अपने इमेजिनेशन देखा था, and it was like a good script. But when I heard it from her, it was phenomenal. It was the best table read I've ever been at. मतलब इतना मजा आया. साथ ही साथ obviously Anshay sir is such a grounded like person I really relate to. So I had him to connect with. Right, I trusted him. Obviously Anushka, I was like, if she's doing something, it's going to be good.
Right.
And their Clean Slate films in general, the last film they did, it's content driven. This is not necessarily about anything except the story.
Correct.
So I had all my boxes checked. So I was like, please, I'm going to do this. So we did tapes and everything, and somewhere in the middle, I got cast, and I'm so happy I did this.
And was Anushka Sharma, who's the producer, who's the actor in the film?
She's amazing, yaar. Like, आप यही पूछो ना प्रोड्यूसर की तरह से.
Anyway, I was just going to ask you the experience. Was she also the reason that you said, "यार अच्छा मैं अब तो और भी ज़्यादा reason है for
Yeah,
me
that obviously it's an added bonus. Like if she's doing it, you know, that's what I said. It's going to be good, right? It's so obviously that added a whole thing. So now here's the thing. As a producer, I never interacted with her as the producer, or she never wanted me to interact with her in that producer type zone. हमारा क्या था, we were very chill, we had very good rapport right from obviously starting. तो डर लगता है कि you know she's a superstar, like will I be able to be okay, will I be able to do this? So like I met her, but once I met her it was all chill. She's super nice, super relaxed, she knows what she's doing, you trust her completely, you really respect her. ठीक है, तो as a producer, I mean, apparently she has done a great job, but I never interacted with her like that. As an actor, she's phenomenal. She's so good. She reacts to every वो जुगलबंदी चलते रहती है. It's like you are in the zone, you're in the moment, you're just going back and forth, just you know, this is awesome. Like she reacts to everything you do, and then you react to everything she does. तो बहुत अच्छा था. प्लस इट्स सिचुएशनल कॉमेडी है ना, तो बाहर सबके लिए फनी है जो शूट कर रहे हैं, एवरीबॉडी इज वाचिंग, इट्स फनी फॉर देम, बट फॉर मी एंड हर इट्स नॉट फनी, राइट? आई एम स्कैर्ड, शी इज कंफ्यूज्ड एंड एंग्री, ओके? सो it would have been hard to maintain the not laughing in that situation, but because she's so good, we just went with it, man. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Okay, and if I talk of your acting pursuits, do you always plan on becoming an actor?
No, I never thought about this. I never wanted to be an actor. ऐसे like मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं है ऐसा होता है या हो सकता है. It's not a realistic thing. Yeah, you know, it's not a realistic thing. You don't think. बचपन में ऐसे लगता नहीं. मेरे को फुटबॉलर बनना था, वो भी फेल हो गया. क्या करते हैं?
Maybe you could do some film on that if anyone is listening.
Man, yes, do that. That would be fun.
I should write a story. So, your dream director, actor, actresses, whoever you want to work with in the coming time.
There are so many. In India.
In India, abroad. अब सर आप तो Hollywood star भी हो, Bollywood star भी बनने वाले हो, तो आप बता दो.
I'd like to work with lots of people, yeah. But off the top of my head right now, I would say Anushka again. Other than that, I would say Abhishek Chaubey type, or like Anurag Kashyap or Imtiaz Ali. That zone, I like that kind of zone. I also want to try different things, so I don't like, you know, there are hundreds of people I'd like to work with. In terms of actors, my favorite right now, definitely like someone I really respect. My all-time has been Aziz Shah. So I think he's phenomenal. I think he can, the way he does something, nobody else can do. So,
right.
But more like contemporary, if that's the word. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He's a beast, right? And females.
Apart from Anushka,
Alia Bhatt. That vibe, she's amazing. Tanishta Chatterjee, she's amazing. All these people, like I'm you know, they're amazing. So I'd love to work with these people. Bahar to I would just say the one person, because it's so almost never going to happen kind of a thing, is Wong Kar-wai. I really like his work, and I think
that's
will be very intense and fun.
Okay.
Kind of different.
Okay. And before we move on to the quick rapid fire round, one last question. So Mehreen is your co-star in the film. जिससे आपकी शादी होने वाली, जो marriage ready है. How was the experience of working with her? Because
Mehreen's amazing. She's such a jovial, fun, sweet person. She's actually generally a very, very nice, kind-hearted person. She's very easy to relate to. So it was really fun, and you know, she was also nervous. We were both nervous in the same sense. You know, debuting Bollywood and all this, and you know, it's scary as a thought. So we had each other to go through this with. So I had fun, and she's terrific.
Wish you all the luck with the film.
Thank you.